You are just like a rat. Always hiding things in your corners.
I am scared of him, David. I don't feel safe here anymore.
Get out! Don't come back until you tell the truth.
Where are they, Leo? The blue velvet shoes. They are gone.
I don't know, Margaret. I was cleaning the basement all morning.
Liar! I saw you looking at them yesterday. You stole them, didn't you?
No, I never steal. I love shoes. I don't steal them.
You are just like a rat. Always hiding things in your corners. Ah! Off. My back. My head.
Margaret, are you okay? I am sorry. The floor is very wet.
Get away from me, you monster!
Margaret! What happened? Are you hurt?
Oh, David, it was Leo. He stole the shoes and he pushed me.
No, Dad. That's not true. She stepped on my cleaning cloth. He put the wet cloth there on purpose. He wanted me to fall.
Leo, you steal from your own family and hurt your mother?
She is not my mother, and I didn't push her. Dad, please.
Silence. I am tired of your excuses. You are a dangerous boy.
I am scared of him, David. I don't feel safe here anymore.
You want to act like a criminal? Then you don't belong here.
Dad, please. It's freezing outside. It's snowing.
Maybe the cold air will help you remember where the shoes are. Get out! Don't come back until you tell the truth.
If I go now, I will never come back. Do you hear me? Never!
Good riddance. Go live with the other rats.
I didn't steal anything. But today, you stole my father. I don't need this house. I have my hands. I will be okay. Just one more stitch. I can do this. Stay warm, Leo. Daddy, look at the snow. It's so pretty.
Yes, Mia. But it is very cold. Let's go inside for some hot soup.
Jack, look! That boy! He has no coat. And he is fixing shoes in the snow?
That's unusual. He looks like he knows what he's doing.
Oh, Daddy, my shoe!
Oh dear. The leather strap is broken. We can't fix this here, honey.
But these are my favorite shoes. I want to wear them now. Excuse me, sir. Ma'am, I can help.
You? It is a very thin strap, son. It needs a special needle.
I have it right here. It will only take 1 minute. Please.
Okay, let's see. Jack, let him try.
Wow. You are like a magic cobbler. It is finished, miss. It is very strong now.
This is incredible. You used an Italian knot. Who taught you that?
My father's shop. But I don't work there anymore.
You have a great talent and a kind heart.
Son, come inside with us. You need a warm meal and a real family tonight.
With you? Really? Thank you. Thank you so much.
Leo, here are some warm clothes. Go to the bathroom and take a hot shower, okay?
It's so soft. Thank you, ma'am. You are very kind.
And wear these, Leo. They are very warm.
Go ahead, son. We will wait for you here.
Oh, look at you. You look wonderful, Leo.
Leo, we talked. We know you have no place to go.
My father. He doesn't want me. He thinks I am a thief.
We don't think you are a thief. We saw your hands, and we saw your heart.
We are the owners of a shoe company. We need a talented boy like you. We want you to stay here. Not as a worker, but as our son. Will you stay with us?
You want to keep me? But you don't even know me.
We know enough. We want to give you a real home and a real future.
Yes. Yes, please. I want to stay. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom.
Hey, big brother. Are you still working on the new collection?
Hi, Mia. Yes, I want these shoes to be perfect for the New York Fashion Show.
Wow, Leo. These are beautiful. They look like wings.
I want people to feel light and free when they wear my shoes. Leo, the board of directors loved your ideas. You are a master designer now.
We are so proud of you, honey. You worked harder than anyone I know.
I learned from the best. Thank you for sending me to the best design school, Dad.
You earned it, Leo. Your talent saved our company this year.
And soon, everyone in the world will want Leo's shoes.
I want to build a brand that helps people. I want to give shoes to children on the street.
That is a wonderful idea. You never forgot where you came from.
I can't forget. That cold night made me who I am today.
Tomorrow is the big launch event. Are you ready to show the world your name?
I am ready. Because I have you by my side. No. It can't be. Is that Leo?
Look at you. You are a billionaire. Oh my God, you are rich.
Wait, you're working here? What happened to your shop?
Leo, my dear son. Your father is gone. He is dead. The shop is closed. We have nothing now.
I am sorry to hear that about my father. But I am not your son.
Please, help your family. We made a mistake. We were so wrong that night.
You didn't make a mistake, Margaret. You chose to be cruel. You chose to throw a 7-year-old child into the snow. We are sorry, Leo. Just give us some money. A little bit. We are hungry. I will not give you money. But I will not fire you either. Keep this job. Work hard. Be honest. You can buy food with your own money. Just like I did. Good luck, Margaret. I hope this job teaches you how to be a good person.
The event was a big success, Leo. Everyone is talking about your new design.
Thanks, Mia. But I wasn't thinking about the designs tonight.
You were thinking about them, weren't you? Margaret and Ryan?
I was thinking about my father. I am sad he is gone, but I am not angry anymore.
You did the right thing tonight, son. You gave them a chance, but you kept your dignity.
Your mother would be very proud of the man you are today, Leo.
I am this man because of you. You gave me a home when I had nothing.
You gave us a son, Leo. That was the best gift of all.
Life is like a shoe. Sometimes it is tight and painful.
And sometimes it fits perfectly?
Exactly. You just need to find the right people to help you walk the path.
Are you ready to go home, son?
Yes. Let's go home.
Thank you for being with us in today's English learning video. It teaches us that your past does not define your future. Kindness and hard work can truly change your life.
What did Leo use to fix Mia's broken shoe? A. Glue. B. A needle and thread. Or C. Tape.
Please share your answer below. Also, what is one new English vocabulary word you learned?
Where are you watching this video from? Tell us your city or country.
If you loved learning English with us, Please like, subscribe, and comment.
Thank you for being part of our family today. Keep practicing, and goodbye.
I'm so happy you are here with me. You finished the whole story, and that is a rich achievement for your English journey. Learning a new language takes time, and by watching until the end, you are making excellent progress. Did you notice when Leo said, "I can help"? This is a very useful and life-saving phrase. It means you are already and willing to give someone your support or fix a problem for them. You can use it at home, at work, or with your friends to show you are a kind person. Keep learning and practicing every day because your English is getting better with every story. Let's learn again together. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.